Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sort and find information on a little bit larger of a scale. If you're interested in seeing my one on where I did it on a bit smaller scale within like a sample grade book, you can go back in and check out that video on inserting and filtering data on Excel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this on a little bit larger scale. I went to the governor's office of student achievement and downloaded one of their spreadsheets. So right here, what I'm going to show you um, is this is all the attendance data for the whole entire state of Georgia. You can see it is just, I mean, it is long, really long. But if I'm looking for information, if I'm part of a guided coalition, a leadership team, or anything like that, we're really having a hard time with attendance at our school, and I need to go in and find out what our data was from last year and see how we can make that better. Parent involvement, student involvement, getting them on the bus. Is it, whatever other kind of options do we need? I can go in and I can find that information by filtering things out. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is when you pull it up, it's not going to have any arrows on here. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to sort and filter. I want to find my school and I want to find my students that I'm doing. I want to find only our information because I don't want to go through here looking and scrolling. Oh, hey, here's Bartow County. Oh, hey, here's Hamilton Crossing, which is our school. No, I want to go in and I want to be able to filter it and just see that versus not having all this stuff. So I'm going to go in, I'm going to click filter, pops up my arrows. I'm going to go in and look for just a neighboring county. I'm going to go look for Cartersville Middle School. So what I'm going to do is I want to go in, I want to filter. I know that I'm looking for a school, not the state or the district. I'm looking for a school. I know that it is Cartersville, so I'm going to deselect them all. I'm going to go in and look for Cartersville City. It pulls up all four of their schools. Which institution do I want? I want the middle school. Click enter there, and boom, it brings up all my information about the middle school. How many total students there are, how many missed 5% or less days, 6 to 15% days, over 15%. It has my Asian student count and the percentage of them that showed up to school. This would be 5 or fewer. You can see that up here. Then it shows me the total number of African American students that I have, black students, and white student count, and Hispanic student count, and multiracial student count. So it shows you female. I mean, it breaks it down all over. It breaks all of this information down. Male students. And while I'm doing this, I'm moving so fast because I'm using my arrows. Students with disabilities. I mean, it breaks everything down that I'll need to know. Hey, where are we really struggling with our attendance on this? Where are we doing really well? Anyway, that's how you filter on a little bit larger scale. It's the same as a smaller scale. This was just a lot larger. And then once you're done, if you want to get rid of your filters, just clear it. Everything pops up. If I don't want the arrows anymore, I just unclick my filter and I'm back to my normal spreadsheet. But that's how you filter in an Excel spreadsheet on a large scale. Hope that helps. Thanks.